Hello everyone, welcome back to SteamCode and welcome to part 3 of our Selenium tutorial series. In this tutorial we're going to be creating a simple web scraper, and the website we're going to be scraping from is this website right here, ratings.fi.com/top.phtml list equals men. And what this list is basically a list of the top men chess players internationally. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be scraping from this website the names of these chess players. So let's just get right into it. So as you can see here, I have this file, scrapetut.js, and in this file we have the basic builder that we're used to at this point. We initialize the constants by key and builder, require Selenium WebDriver. We require the Chrome driver as well. Then we create this function called scrape. We're calling it down here, and within this function we're creating our driver with the standard code that we're used to, await new builder for browser chrome.build, and then we're quitting the driver. So let's add some code into this so we can actually scrape from this website. So first we need to get this website. So let's copy this URL, and I'll paste this URL in the description of this video. So let's copy this URL. Then next what we're going to want to do is say await driver.get. So we can say await driver.get, and then we paste the URL right inside of here. Alright, so now the driver is going to navigate to that page. Then once we're inside that page, we need to know the elements that we're going to be getting. So let's find out what those elements are. So if we Control I or Control Shift I, and then let's maximize this page, let's just find out the elements that contains the name, and let's navigate to it. So as we can see here, it's a.tour, and so what this is, it's the element A, which is the link, and it's of the class tur or tur. Alright, so now that we know the class, we can actually do this, or we can actually scrape from this website. So now what we're going to want to do is initialize a variable. So I'll call this variable names, var names is equal to driver.get elements, and then we're going to say by dot CSS because we're getting it by its CSS, and the CSS that we're going to get it by is just the class name, so dot .tur. The dot means class name and the hash means ID name, and if you just leave it as tur, it's expecting an element with the tag tur. So we're getting all the elements with the css.tur, which is all of these names down here, and then we can just end that line. So now let's iterate through these elements. So we can say for n, let's say for let n of name. So we're getting each or of names. Then let's just log to the console what this n is. So console.log n.get text. Alright, let's test to see how it works. Let's say node scrape tut.js. Alright, it navigates to the page, and it's supposed to collect the information. Alright, sorry about that. I mistyped and I said get elements. It's supposed to be find elements. And let's put in a wait up here as well, so it happens at the right time. And then also put in a wait before the n.get text. So let's test this again. Control C, and let's test the same code. So it navigates to the page, and it quits, and after it quits, it prints out all of these names, starting with, at the top, Magnus Carlsen, as you see up there. And it continues all the way down to number 100. Kunma. Alright, so this is a very basic tutorial for web building, or for web scraping, and you can put these put this content, this data, inside of a separate file using the file system manager of Node, and we might do that in a future tutorial. But this is just a very basic intro into how to start web scraping using Selenium, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Check out our Discord down in the description below as well. And then also, once you check that out, please check out our Patreon as well. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.